So happy to hear your voice and see your face.
Me too.
All right, so I had COVID for a week, and then my 3-year-old had 4 different infections and was home with me for a week. And then right after that, my 2-year-old sprained her ankle, and she was home with me out of daycare. So I'm in and out of urgent care. It's been more than 2 weeks of me being out of office unexpectedly. I need your tips on, 1, for just like recovery this week. Like, where do I even start? And 2, just for future tips for future fires to keep momentum going and still make sure that I'm not fully MIA for 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, let me rapid fire some tips at you. So you've been MIA. You were sick. The kids were sick. We got urgent care. We got all this stuff. Okay, first thing I want to let you know, okay, you're not alone. We all have this going on in your life. The second thing I want to let you know, okay, do not bring that up with your prospects. Here's what I mean. A lot of times, and don't take this the wrong way, Chelsea, it's not you, it's not me, it's not Ellis, it's not Scott, it's not Adam. Okay, we think we totally dropped the ball and we screwed up. They don't even notice, right? But if we call them and say, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I was out and I wasn't paying attention, let them make sure that they're aware. And I'm not saying that's an excuse for any of us to slack off for a couple weeks, but don't start the conversation with, I was out, I wasn't paying attention. Just proceed, right? As promised, calling to see if it makes sense for me to help you on that placement. So jump right back into your work as if no time has passed. If things happen, deal with it. But don't, does that make sense? Don't don't shine the spotlight on the gap, right? Because the world will do that. I was a sidebar, okay? And this is a polarizing person, so I'm not even going to say probably the most polarizing person on the planet, okay? The guy gave me some great life advice because I was in a bad place in my life. I was the alternate on a television show called The Apprentice. And there was this guy that was the star of that show who's probably the most polarizing person on the planet. So I'm not going to say one side of the fence that I'm on or the other. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to say the advice that he gave me. Because I brought up some stuff, and this was like in the casting stuff. We were in Santa Monica, California. He said, hey man, let me give you some advice. Don't ever tell the world where you're screwing up, okay? Because there's a big line of people waiting to tell you how much you're screwing up. Don't be one of them, right? And that was some really good advice that I took to heart and learned in my sales career. I'm not saying lie and say you didn't screw up, but don't get in line and shine the spotlight on the positives, because all the great things that you could, okay? So number 1, don't sweat it, just get back to work. Number 2, don't shine the light on it. Number 3, now we got to also get you back in the groove. Try some new stuff, right? You're back in the groove. Come up with some new ideas, right? Come up with some new cold calls that you can make or some new stuff. That's what I did over the weekend. I was kind of worried about stuff. I'm like, man, I'm going to embrace the raise your hand call. I got 2 new things that I'm trying right now. And I just got right back into it, and the flow started to happen. So don't shine the light when you've been out. Don't give yourself some grace. Okay, that was the past. It's gone. It's all good. Crap happens. We're not going to shine the light on it. We're going to jump right back in to everything as if no time had passed, and we're going to try some new stuff. You do all that, life will reward you.
Thanks, Matt.
Yep. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.